Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple and delicious vegan cheese board. If you've never made a cheese board before, do not let their appearance intimidate you. They're surprisingly easy and so fun to make. The one I'll be showing you today has more of a fall or winter theme, but you can make this recipe any time of year. Just use whatever fruit is in season where you live. So without further ado, here is my step-by-step process for how I create simple and delicious vegan cheese boards. We're going to start by placing 2 different spreads or dips on our board. I'm using a little bowl of my vegan herb cashew cheese. I'll link the recipe below. And I'm also using a jar of vegan almond pate. This is the almond pate from Lark Ellen Farm, but you can use anything you want here. Hummus would be delicious, a red pepper dip, lentil spread, anything like that would be great. And I'm going to add a little bowl of marinated olives. You could use nuts or roasted chickpeas here too. And we're going to loosely create a little triangle with these bowls. It really helps draw your eye around the board and gives it a really beautiful look in the end. Next, I'm going to add the larger pieces of fruit, thinly sliced apples on opposite sides of the board, as well as some figs and grapes. Now that I've placed the larger elements, I'm going to go and fill in all the gaps. So I'm adding black cherries here, but you could also use strawberries or raspberries, whatever you like. Now I'm arranging some fig and olive crackers around the 3 bowls and filling in the board with little clusters of blackberries and pomegranate seeds. And finally, I'm going to fill in any remaining empty spaces with almonds and garnish with a couple sprigs of fresh rosemary. We are all done making our vegan cheese board. You can either serve it right away or you can cover it and store it in the fridge for a few hours and take it out about 20 minutes before you're ready to serve, just to make sure that the dips come to room temperature. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe for more recipes like these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.